Whether you've just installed your Topro link and want to check it all works, or you're experiencing an issue with your trailer brakes, let's run through how to test a Topro link installation. This process can be difficult on your own, so we recommend you grab an assistant for this test. To undertake this test, you'll need a filament type 5 to 21 watt test light. This test light will wake the Topro link from standby mode and act as a set of brake magnets. This light must not be greater than 21 watts as to not exceed the Topro's short circuit detection limit. Keep in mind that an LED style test light or voltmeter are not suitable for this test. Before beginning this test, ensure that the Topro link USB remote is plugged in and has power. You may need your vehicle on for this. If this is the case, ensure that your vehicle is in park or neutral with the handbrake on. To test your Topro link, first connect the ground wire alligator clip to pin number 3 or any clean chassis point on the vehicle. Then connect the test light probe to the trailer brakes using pin number 5, which should be the blue wire on the trailer plug. Please note that each plug can have a different pin allocation. Check with your manufacturer before testing. The LEDs on the USB remote should illuminate either green or blue depending on the mode it's in, or if the unit is uncalibrated. If there's no illumination present, you may have a poor connection at the trailer plug, or will need to check the 12 volt power supply at the Topro module. If the brake controller is in everyday mode, the LEDs will glow blue. If it's in manual off-road mode, the LEDs will be green. If the unit is in calibration mode, the LEDs will flash blue and green. When connected to the Topro app, calibration is shown via either a blue and green flash or through a solid orange colour with the word calibrating displayed. If you are connected to CarPlay, the plus and minus buttons will become a solid orange colour with the word calibrating displayed. For testing, the link must be in off-road mode. If the USB remote is blue, indicating it's in everyday mode, you will need to change modes. Press down on the brake pedal and press and hold the minus and plus buttons on the USB remote for approximately 5 seconds. The LEDs should change colour to solid green. You can then release the brake pedal. Now that the link is in off-road mode and your LEDs are green, you'll need to grab someone to watch the test light. With your foot on the brake pedal, slowly increase the braking level from 0 to 10 using the plus button. If the test light goes from no brightness at 0 to full brightness at 10, this confirms the Topro is fully operational. You can also test the override function by pressing and holding the Sway Stop Plus button. The test light should illuminate to the setting on the USB remote. Once the test is complete, return the Topro link to everyday mode by repeating the earlier steps. If the Topro link isn't calibrated yet, the USB remote will flash blue and green. The Topro link will only calibrate when connected to a trailer. When this test is complete and the trailer is connected, you can adjust the nominal setting on the Topro to your preference. If you need more braking power, press the plus button. If it's too much, press the minus button. The Topro link also has a brake light test function, activated through the app. This feature is designed to test whether the trailer brake lights are coming on when the brake is pressed. It is recommended that this is part of your pre-towing checks, especially if you're connecting everything solo. If you're still having trouble, we recommend you check out the REDARC Help Centre. And for more on Topro Link, visit redarcelectronics.com.